from $0 to $5,000. Are you ready to make money online with ChatGPT and powerful AI tools? I'm here to help you. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can go from $0 to $5,000 with ChatGPT and powerful AI tools. Stay with me until the end of this video and you will learn how to go from $0 to $5,000. Welcome to the future. The time has come to help you make money online with ChatGPT and powerful AI tools. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can go from $0 to $5,000 with powerful strategies to make money online. Stay with me until the end of this video and you will learn how to go from $0 to $5,000. The AI revolution is being a completely incredible event in 2023, and you can be part of it on the winner's side. I'm Cristopher Investor. This is the Life Evolution Project, and I'm here to help you. In this video, you will learn how to make money online with powerful AI tools and with ChatGPT. The first step that you need to do is choose the best strategies to work online. And with powerful AI tools, it will make your work simple, faster, and easier. I will show for you here what are the best AI tools to help on your marketing campaigns. You can work with digital marketing products, affiliate marketing products, freelancing. You can also work with digital art, a lot of options to make money online with the AI revolution. So let's get started. Here is the step-by-step guide to help you go from $0 to $5,000 online. The number one is choose a profitable niche. It's very important that you choose a niche that have high demand and is evergreen, where you're gonna have a lot of options to make sales and be able to make money online with the help of powerful AI tools, ChatGPT, and powerful strategies to make successful online campaigns. So the three profitable niches that I indicate you choose to start working online are: number one, health; number two, financial; and number three, technology. With these three niches, you're gonna have a lot of opportunities to work online and make money with successful marketing campaigns. And following the next steps, I will explain how you can make your successful marketing campaigns to make money with products on these three niches. So keep following step by step the information that I have for you. After you choose the products to make money online and start to make your sales, you're gonna need to make marketing campaigns with these products. And here is a list of tools to help on your marketing campaigns so you can start your journey to make our first $5,000 online. The first of the list is Aweber. Here you're gonna be able to make powerful email marketing campaigns so you can build your customer list. You're gonna be able to create landing pages, email automation. You're gonna be able to make powerful and successful email marketing campaigns with Aweber. The next one that will help a lot on your marketing campaigns so you can make sales of your products is Jasper. It's a powerful AI tool to help on the content creation of your marketing campaign. Here you're gonna be able to get a demo account so you can start to use your account on Jasper and see the first results of your marketing campaigns. Okay, and going ahead, you have a powerful website where you're gonna be able to create videos to make video marketing campaigns in video. It's a very powerful tool where you're gonna be able to create videos with the help of ChatGPT and transform the content that ChatGPT will provide into videos. And now I will show you step by step how you can do your marketing campaigns with the help of ChatGPT. Here we are on ChatGPT. Now I will start to create the content to help on your marketing campaigns to make sales of your products and reach your first $5,000 online. So let's get started. I will make here the first call to ChatGPT act as a professional digital marketing expert. So here I made the first call to ChatGPT so it can give better answers on the next questions that I'll make here for the creation of these marketing campaigns with the help of ChatGPT. So the first question I made to ChatGPT is to make a list of marketing campaigns content to make sales of technology products online. And here is the answer from ChatGPT with 7 topics with the high quality content to help on your marketing campaigns. So step by step you can follow the information that ChatGPT has given here, and then you start to make your content creation. If you want a better answers, if the first one wasn't what you was looking for, you can click here to regenerate response, and then you're gonna have more answers, so you can choose the best ones. So going ahead, now I will ask for information to create video marketing campaigns. So you can bring the information from ChatGPT to in video, and then you're gonna be able to create videos with the information that ChatGPT will provide to you. Here is the first question that I have to ChatGPT. Alright, so here is the question I made to ChatGPT to make a high quality content information for my video marketing campaign to sell my technology product online. Here is the answer with the step-by-step guide that you need to create your video marketing campaign and start to make your sales. The video that you create here in video, you're gonna be able to share on the social media. You can create the YouTube style where you're gonna be able to share with people all around the world, and you're also gonna be able to create on the Instagram style, shorts style, that will be the vertical video. You're gonna be able to create a lot of different style of video, and here on ChatGPT, following step by step the information you bring here on video. The account to sign up is free. You can create a free account and start to create your videos. Okay, so let's keep going with the content because I have more information to help you on the first $5,000 making with the help of ChatGPT. Here I made a new call to ChatGPT to make a high quality email marketing content to build my list of customers to buy my technology products. Here is the answer from ChatGPT. With this information, you can create your customers list with the help of Aweber, doing email marketing campaigns, with the help of Jasper, where you're going to be able to create high quality content for your email marketing campaigns, and with the information from ChatGPT. If you want more information here about how to build your email marketing customer list, you can ask for ChatGPT just like this. Make a new email marketing list, example, to sell my technology products online. This way you're gonna have a new answer from ChatGPT, so you can create high quality email marketing campaigns. With the help of these 3 AI tools, you're gonna be able to create high quality email marketing campaigns, video marketing campaigns, and also sales marketing campaigns. All these together with the help of powerful AI tools. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the content on this video. I truly believe that you can go from $0 to $5,000 with the help of powerful AI tools, ChatGPT, and create digital marketing campaigns. And you can do it starting from 0. I hope you truly be able to make your first $5,000 online, and I'm here to help you on this journey to be successful online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, because I have a sequence of videos to help you make money online. This is the Life Evolution Project, and I'm here to help you.